Kia ora, ke te pihi koe. I am the Joy Ninja and I'm here to stuff my weekly savings challenges, variable expenses, and let you know how I got on last week. So I started using these little mini envelopes in my wallet and they work out great. And what that's meant is I've got rid of the ones in my everyday binder that say groceries and things like that. So let's go through first and see how I did. I have $25 left in groceries, nothing in petrol, and I have 15 in my takeaways, which I'm going to roll over. Let's put those to the side. Then for household, I've got 10 left. Yep, $10 left. Pin money just 5. Beauty, same as last time, 60. Clothes 55, giving 20. I really do need to go and get a present this week because their birthday party is this weekend. Alright, in my little change purse, I've got quite a bit of gold there, which is good. I'm going to need to make change for all my savings challenges today. I have 2, 4, 6. $9.70 plus the 25. I should know. $34.70 left over from this week's budget, which is ka pai. So this week I have $330 to stuff. I realised when I was looking at my budget, you know, when I started this back in April, I was just stuffing my variable expenses, my groceries, fuel, takeaways, that kind of stuff. And slowly it's grown, and I realised I'm stuffing everything in cash, every budget expense except for those that have an automatic payment or a direct debit set up. I leave those in my bank account. So after I paid for my rent and my power and insurance and all those direct debits, I have $330 a week to play with. And so let's count it. 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 180, 190, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 95, 3, 305, 310, 15, 20, 25, 30. So that's 330. I'm going to be hitting pretty much all of my envelopes today with a little bit of money, sprinkling it across the budget. But before I get too much farther, I'm going to take one of these 10s and I'm going to break it. So it was a bit of a bummer I couldn't have all gold coins, but that's the way the cookie crumbles this week. If you didn't watch last week, my rollover jar, I took all of the coins to the bank, changed them out, and I've distributed them in my envelopes. I did another separate video about that. Okay, so now I have the right denominations to do my stuffing. I'm going to put aside $13. That's for my teenager. That's her weekly amount. And then we're going to get on with groceries. So groceries this week is getting the same as last week. It's 130, 70, 90, 110, 130. And fuel also is going to get its regular amount. Petrol gets 40. Sorry if you can hear that in the background. I feel like I'm going to yell at my cat in a minute. They're scratching on the back of the sofa and it drives me nuts. Takeaways. It's just getting a 5. But that brings us up to 20, so that's a good fish and chips dinner or a Chinese takeaway. So I'm happy with that. Now for this binder. Household is going to get 10, and as I said, it's just got the 10 there for 20, but I am buying lots of soil and stuff. I did go and buy some seeds. I already had some in the garage, so I bought some seedling mix and some seeds, and those 2 items cost $17, so even seeds are expensive this year. Pin money is going to get 10. Had 5, so now it's got 15. Beauty is getting 10 too, saving up for that cut and colour. I've got it booked in for December, but my roots are pretty bad, so I'm a bottled blonde with greying bits at the side. So yeah, it's not a great look at the moment. Clothing's just going to get 5. There's 55, that takes us to 60. Giving's also getting 5. Right, so that's my black binder stuffed. I'll move on to my sinking funds. Dentist. I'm going to be stuffing this as much as I can over the next little while, because I am overdue, and because my daughter's got the orthodontist next month. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Back up to kids fun. It's just getting $5 this week. Already has 60, so now it's 65. Furbays are getting 10. So they now have 20, 30, 40, 55. My car is getting 10. So it now has 15. And health is getting 10. I was able to buy the vitamins that I wanted from Chemist Warehouse, and they were on special, so yeah, they were $5 less than I thought they were going to be, which is awesome. Now we are on to savings challenges, which is always my favourite part. It's really heartening to see how well these are growing. For emergency savings, I was able to whack another 100 in the bank, so I've got 600 in the bank now. I'm going to add 5. I'll do the trackers once I've stopped filming. I think today, Christmas and birthdays. Again, we were able to put a big lot in the bank last time we stuffed. Let's take it all out. Put that aside. So I've got 50, 200 to 10, 20, 30. And I scratched off the 8 and the 6 last week, so I'm putting in 14. So that gives me 246. We'll scratch for next week. Too bad. Let's push the boat out here. I don't know. Let's go this one. I got 10 and 4, 14 again. So that's cool. We'll do 14 next week. Just make myself a note. Then kids savings. The kids have got 100 in the bank and 5, now they have 110. Change jar, that's this jar. I'm just going to put the notes in here and I'm going to let them build up. Because it's good to have, you know, like a bank, an on-site bank, so I can change down cash. And I know my daughter's binder wants consolidating, so I'll leave that there for her. Living in the moment this week is going to get 10. Come out. 20, 40, 60, 80, 110, 20, 30. And look at that, I've only got 2 more slots and then that challenge is completed. This is going to go towards flights if I can afford to go to the North Island in November. Kiwis Can Fly is getting $5 this week as well. So I now have 50, 70, 85, 95, 100. Kia, it's Editing Ninja here. I forgot to say at some point in this video that I have been working on some more savings challenges, specifically around kids sports, drama, swimming, that kind of thing. They're on Buy Me a Coffee. Go check them out and tell me what you think. Ninja goals. My wee ninja is going to get 5. This week. And so now he has got 50, 65, 70. I'm going a bit slower on this because we won't need it until the first term of next year. And Waitangi Day is going to get the rest of this coinage, which is $3. Put that in there. Of course, I don't have a $3, Let's take off that 2 and fill in this 5. Voila. So that was that. That was $330 in my everyday variable expenses, savings challenges and sinking funds binders. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a like if you feel moved to do so. It really does help with the algorithm. Hopefully I'll see you again. Kia ora.